Hey guys, so today I'm with you for another Lolita unboxing video, and this time I'm unboxing an Usakumya Pouch Bag, and I know that there are quite a few of this around. I feel like this is an older one, but I haven't quite been able to determine which one this is. Hopefully by the time I'm editing this I will have found out and I'm able to put this information on the screen somewhere. But if I haven't, I'm probably gonna ask someone on Facebook. So hopefully it will be here. Hopefully we'll know. Now I know that there are quite a lot of Usakumya unboxings out there, but I think I'm only gonna ever get this one, and I just really wanted to film me opening this. I wanted to share this experience with the world. So this is the packaging. I got this Usakumya from Yahoo auctions, and I used Buyee, yeah, I guess that's it, to as my shopping service, and yeah, like the service in between. I used the cheapest shipping option, which turned out to be a good thing because I had to pay customs on this, which was my first time paying customs on an item. And yeah, you have to pay customs on the shipping here as well, so I'm glad I picked the cheapest shipping for that. But also this packaging really scared me because it's super flimsy. It's like I can feel the Usakumya inside, and I don't know if you want that with your designer bag. So the packaging is kind of cute though. It has like parrots and stuff on it, so at least to get some points for that. And I see it. Oh my god, it's so white. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. I don't even see it yet, and I know it's adorable. Also, it's in this Japanese plastic bag, which is, it has a horse on it. And yeah, I think I cut the bag. But well, it's like, there we go. There we go. Aww. Aww. Oh, she's hollow, so you can fit stuff inside her body as well, I think. Oh my gosh. Aww. I feel like she's kind of tired from the trip. She's so cute. Oh my god. I can see tiny flakes like coming here on my pants still. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, she's so cute. Okay. Can we say something more constructive? Okay, here we have Usakumya. I'm kind of in front of the light. I'm kind of afraid to put her down because she's so pure white and I'm like scared she's gonna get dirty, which is great. That's totally what you want from a bag. It's super practical, and obviously that's why we all get those Usakumyas, because they're so practical. So anyways, this is her. She has two good cute bows on her head, and she's got adorable pink eyes. Well, you can say they're red. They have like this tiny speckles of white in them, which I hadn't noticed before. And then she has a big pink bow on her neck, and she has a lot of frill here. She has some really nice frill, and she's really soft and adorable and chubby and just all around kawaii. She's just so adorable. And here's the Baby Distortion logo on her foot, and it has a little jewel, and her paws are magnetic, which is hard to show because I'm holding the camera, but basically she has a magnet inside both paws. And I did try, and she does fit my phone. And now we're gonna gonna see what else she fits. Okay, so now let's try and fit stuff inside her. So I showed you her little bows and her little frill. I tried showing you at least close up. And her cute little paws, which are magnetic. Come on, ta-da! You can do it! Yay! And yeah, she's adorable. She's so adorable. But now we're gonna see if she functions as a bag, as she should. Yeah, you do? Of course you do. She did fit my phone. I did try. So I have for reference, I have an iPhone SE. So it does fit that. If you have a bigger phone, probably it still fits. But like, if it's like crazy big, it won't fit a tablet. So what we have here is my smaller wallet, which is struggling, but does fit. But I don't think actually maybe my phone will also fit in here then. We have a deck of playing cards which are about as thick as my phone, so maybe we can, okay, yeah, this is not gonna work. Nope. Oh, that is gonna work. I feel like I'm not being very nice to Usakumya right now. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I think it could work on its own. Like if you just wanna have a deck of playing cards with you. Yep, it fits on its own. Let's try it like this. I have a lot of cards though, so I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Okay, it did fit. So it does fit a deck of playing cards and a deck of cards you can pay with. The cards you can play with and cards you can pay with. And now she feels quite heavy, but her stomach is still empty, I feel. Yeah, I can sort of feel. Wonder if I can shove the cards deeper. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Poor Usakumya. Well, that's what you were made for, so maybe not so cool. So we have a very thin NYX lipstick here. Let's see if we're gonna fit that. We did fit that. Awesome. I feel like we're gonna fit something more. I have my keys, but somehow feel bad shoving my keys here. Like, my keys are quite sharp. They do fit. Oh my gosh. Can I fit all the essentials in this? Is it possible? Yep. It closed. She has my keys. There's still room in her tummy. Like, I can tell there's still room. Let's take my keys and let's try and shove all the stuff deeper. Are you okay? Yeah? Yeah, you're okay? Good. Don't want you to break on the first day that I get you. Okay, so this is not gonna fit, I think. This is a second lipstick, by the way. Let's try that. Well, I feel like we've reached our limit. I had this candy. Can we fit this candy in here? It's whole gums, like a bag of gum. Yep, but I mean now I wouldn't be able to fit my keys in here. But I would be if there wasn't the gum. Yeah, now I can feel stuff in her belly as well. She's full. So yeah, I think there are other videos on how much Usakumya can fit, but it was fun to try, and I wanted to try it and sort of see stuff inside her. Yeah, her handle is quite short, so she's like a handbag. Guessing you could change it though, like the handle is removable. You can detach it and you can put a longer handle on her if you so wished. And she has the original label. And this is what she looks like. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, subscribe!